Okay, this is instructions for replacing the air filter on the Goodman furnace for the property. We need a furnace filter that is 16 by 20 by 1, which I have right here. And it's really easy. You just reach up, you open these latches, pull this back, set that down. And inside you'll see the existing filter, which needs to be replaced. And the important thing to remember is the airflow. Make sure that you match this when you replace the new one. We'll take the old one out. Looks pretty dirty. Set that down. And we are using a single filter, so we use the top slot and slide the new one in, making sure that the airflow arrow is pointing down for the flow of air. And now that is done, we slide our door back into place. Make sure that it gets snug in there. You want a tight seal on that, which these things help with, and replace both of those. And that's it. You've replaced the air filter. Congratulations. Bye.